it took us over 4 years to borrow a flagship smartphone from Samsung, and it is our first time to borrow a foldable phone from smartphone. This one from ronalddj.com. So here's our first look on the Samsung Galaxy C Flip 4. Well, first, thank you very much to Samsung Philippines na finally nakairam na rin tayo ng flagship phone from Samsung. The last one na nahiram na natin was Galaxy S9 Plus pa, and we only got a chance for hands-on during nung S10 series. Then we only had the chance to check the first flip. Took us 4 years to borrow something na high-end phone from Samsung, and kahit pa paano, ito na. Ito na yung ito na yung Flip 4 ng Samsung. So, ang nahirap natin is yung base model, which is 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, which is currently price is 58,999 pesos, which ito na yung pinakamahal na nahiram kong phone this year so far. And incidentally, ito pala yung so far, yung unang nahiram natin na flagship phone so far. So, ang kumpara nung tayo nung no Flip 1, definitely hindi masyadong mas maayos na, hindi na masyadong halata yung crease sa gitna. And we chose to borrow this one over the Fold kasi mas compact to, ika nga eh. So lalagay na natin sa baba yung yung specs na ito. So ang i-request natin is yung carbon color, pero ang nahirapan is yung simple blue. And from the integrity wise is mas maganda na yung mas sound na yung integrity sa akin nitong yung Flip 4. As in, ganito ko siya. Siyempre, mas maayos na yung One UI based on Android 12 ng Samsung. And pag-check mo ng UI, mas maayos na. Ang gaan actually. Siyempre, when I check this one, so makikita nyo, nandito yung SIM tray. Fortunately, not sure kung yung sa commercial release, ang nahiram natin is only the single SIM tray. So, looks like kailangan ko magdala ng dalawang phones just to accommodate two different SIMs. Kasi nandito yung dual main camera. At ito lang yung part na medyo ma-fingerprint magnet. Pero the rest, ito okay na. Then, ang maganda rito, ganyan. Gusto mong i-unlock yung phone. Napansin ko na, pwede mo siya ganun. And lalabas na yung timer and the date. Although, figure out ko paano ko magse-selfie with this setup. Then, pwede mo siyang gawing music playback, alarm, tapos recorder, tapos yung stopwatch or timer ito. And then yung calendar. And pwede kang magdagdag ng widgets na from weather to reminders to yung step counter, ika. And since naka dark mode tayo on this one, ang ganya. So far napansin ko lang is ang last na nakuha nating update was July 2022. So nandito yung sa kanang portion yung volume rocker, then yung Bixby button, which also I think pwede mo siyang gawing power button din. And nandiyan na yung power button. Yan, this one. So we have so bibigyan tayo ng comparison compare no Flip 1. It's been years since nakahawak ko ng foldable phone ng smartphone, since yung pandemic was during the launch ng Fold 2 and Fold 3 ng Samsung. So this one okay naman. Okay, syempre since isa flagship phone, is mas maganda yung clarity ng AMOLED display nito. So we'll bring this more on this one. And so far, I'm impressed on this one. Papakita natin later on, i-update natin tong video na to with the written articles. So, unfortunately, di natin tinatin unbox this. Ang nadala lang sa atin is yung unit. So, we have to charge it with a third-party charger, which I know, if not mistaken, wala ng official charger on this one. So that's it. I hope you appreciate this video. Since may nakuha tayo na something na iba or something na hindi nyo pa nakita sa ibang videos ng Flip4. So that's it. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and also follow our social media accounts at the description below. This one from ronaldtdj.com. Thank you very much for watching.